Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trish, and today I'm going to be doing a Colourpop confidential mystery box unboxing. Now this one is $49, and what this is where they put I believe it's 15 products in here, and it is guaranteed to be a value of about $149. Now for most people who do not collect Colourpop, this is a great deal. I do not collect Colourpop. I have very few actual Colourpop products in my collection, so I always use these mystery boxes as a way to try new products from Colourpop. However, if you are one of those people that get every collection that they put out, this is probably not going to be the box for you. You are probably going to receive duplicate items, but that is not me, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what I got. But first, if you have yet to subscribe, I'd love it if you join the family. And now let's get on to the unboxing. Okay, so when I open it up here, it does come bubble wrapped pretty well. I do live on the opposite coast of the Colourpop headquarters and California, so sometimes products do come to me broke, which is one of the reasons I don't order from them very often. However, the first thing that I see is the Star Wars Mandalorian, hand mirror. Okay, that's pretty cute. I didn't buy anything from this collection, so I don't have the palette or the mirror or anything else, and that is a pretty cute little mirror there. That'd be good for traveling. Okay, so that is the first product that I got. It is a pretty small mirror. It's probably a little bit bigger than palm size, if you guys were curious about the actual size of the mirror. The next thing I got in here is a Party Proof Eye Primer, and this is in the shade Caramel. All right, well, I don't really need a new eye primer, but let's just see what this... Oh, okay. So it is a doe foot applicator. I didn't know they had primers, and let's see here. This is about the color. Oh yeah, I can definitely use that. And it feels very silicone-y. So that might actually be a good one for me. I do have aging eyelids, so I'm very, very excited to get this and to try that one out. And then we got some falsies here. These are in the style Chica. I do not wear false lashes very often. I will say I've probably worn them twice in my life, so not very often equates to next to never. So this is kind of a wasted product for me, but I don't really mind that. You know, it's always good to have a pair of lashes on hand just in case you need them, and as I don't have any on hand, there you go. The next thing is going to be the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Get Paid. Okay, interesting shade name there. And this is what the packaging looked like. And this is what the... Ooh, it's a very pretty, almost rose gold color right there. All right. I do like their gel liners. They do tend to dry out very quickly for me, and I've had to throw away some of them, but it's a pretty color. One I'm not going to use very often, but I mean, it was a really good deal, and that is a really pretty color, especially going into fall. I could definitely use that going into fall. Okay, so, oh, I got a liquid liner in the shade Crazy. Without the A, it's spelled without the A. So this is that one, and it is like a deep navy blue right there. Ooh, that looks really pretty. That again would be great going into fall. So there's that. And then we've got the Colourpop Color Stick in Happy Days, and that is the color Happy Days right there. It is slightly deeper than this one here, but they are pretty much the same color story, if you will. So that is really pretty. I do like that one. I don't know how often I'll use a color stick, but then again, I get this to try out Colourpop products. So, all right, now we have our first palette, and it is the Colourpop Set in Stone Pressed Powder Palette. And let's see, throw those over there. Okay, so this is a very actually pretty neutral palette that would be great for fall. A little bit more of the browns that you would see in the fall time. So this is great for this time of year. I'm excited about this one. Cool. I didn't know Colourpop had palettes this shape, so that's kind of cool right there. All right. We did get crystal face jewels. I will end up giving these to my daughter. As you guys know, I do have 2 teenage daughters, and I will never wear these. So that we're moving right along from. The next thing I got is a Super Shock shadow in the shade Cheap Date. And bummer, I told you guys I live on the opposite coast of Colourpop, so this happens a lot. But if you guys can see, my shade kind of came completely shattered. I don't know if, I'm not gonna swatch that right now because it's kind of very, very messy, but it is a very pretty gold, like rustic gold shade. So, and that is in the shade Cheap Date. Very pretty. Again, it would go great with that Set in Stone palette that I got. Just bummer, it shattered. The next thing is gonna be a pressed powder palette, and it is in the shade Cream Sickle. So this is what that one looks like, and this is definitely a pinker leaning eyeshadow, a little bit pink and a little bit orange. I'll give it a shot. We know I'm not into pink eyeshadows, but you know, I got it, so I might as well give it a shot, right? The next thing I have is a Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick here, and it is in the shade Dance Off. I don't think I've tried any of their like lipsticks. I've tried their lip gloss. Not a fan of the lip gloss, but this is, ooh, very, very creamy. This is in the shade Dance Off right here. A nice mauve, again, good for fall. I'm really liking this box for fall. This is a great fall box if you're just looking for a new makeup refresh for the fall. This is a good one. And it looks like we have another pressed powder palette, and this is in Glow Getter. Again, I didn't even realize that they had released this palette, so that's always good. Oh, and it's pretty. Okay, this is what that palette looks like, and these are gorgeous shades. I am really loving these. Oh, this Glowworm shade. Look at this Glowworm shade. That is so pretty. And Flame Fatale. You guys, I can't wait to play with this palette. Oh, very excited about that one. That's definitely a good one there. Okay, we have 3 more products here. The next one is going to be a Luxe Lip Oil, and it looks like it's from the same collection as the palette. At least the packaging is kind of the same, so I'm assuming it's from the same collection. And this doesn't have a shade on it. So let's see here. It's in Gleam On, and this is what that looks like. And this is, I'll put it down here. This is a clear gloss, a clear lip oil. It is right here underneath the liquid eyeliner that I got right there. It's very pretty. It does have a slight pinky tint in the bottle. However, it does come out just clear. So nice lip oil. I would have to try it to tell you if I preferred it over my other lip oils, but again, the whole point of this box is for me to try out more Colourpop products. And then we got another eyeshadow palette, and this is the Feeling Coconutty eyeshadow palette. And this one is very neutral. This is a neutral lover's dream, if you will. That won't open. It's a neutral lover's dream that won't open. So this is what that looks like. It has an interesting smell to it. I can't place it. It's like a sweet smell. Do all their eyeshadows smell? No. So this one has kind of like a sweet smell to it. I don't know if that was from the lip oil or the lip mask or something else that was in this box, but this one has a sweet smell to it, and it is a kind of a matte with sparkles, a deeper shade, and then 2 shimmer shades. So very pretty. I will, of course, use this. It is, again, a neutral lover's dream. And the last thing that I got is the Fourth Way Beauty Avocado Superfood Nourishing Mask. And this is what it looks like. And I haven't tried anything from Fourth Way Beauty, so super excited to try this one out. And this is what that one looks like. So all in all, I have to say that that was a really good mix of products. If you guys are looking for some new products to try out this fall and you are not one of those people that buy every release from Colourpop, this box is actually a really, really good deal, and I would highly recommend you try it out. So that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you would like, comment, and subscribe, it really does help me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.